Sometimes the best way to prevent overeating is to eat more. Call me crazy, but I like to eat a snack before a meal to help keep me on track. So today in the Lingo Kitchen, we'll share 3 recipes for snacks to help prevent overconsumption. We've got a pumpkin yogurt bowl, a cottage cheese and bruschetta bowl, and pumpkin spice latte protein shake. So let's get into it. This pumpkin yogurt bowl recipe makes enough for 2 so you get a snack today and tomorrow. And honestly, you can barely call this a recipe. It's more like a list of things to mix together. It's super simple. First, combine 1 cup 2% Greek yogurt. I've got it all measured out here. Then a 1/3 cup of pumpkin puree. Half a scoop of vanilla protein powder because extra protein is always a plus in our book. A 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. A 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Half a tablespoon of maple syrup, and half of a small apple chopped. Now put this in your serving bowls. Then top it with 2 tablespoons of chopped pecans and sprinkle the cinnamon on top. It literally takes minutes, and I can't recommend this recipe enough. It has enough protein and fat to help keep you fuller longer. This recipe is a little more involved, but again, if you're good at mixing things, you'll nail this cottage cheese and bruschetta bowl for 2 people. First, chop about 1 cup of tomatoes, put that in a small bowl, make sure you get as much of that juice as you can. Now let's season it with 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, half a teaspoon of balsamic vinegar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. My favorite part is the chopped basil. It's so fragrant and adds such a nice freshness. Add 2 tablespoons to the mixture. Now just mix this up and prep the bowls. Scoop half a cup of cottage cheese into one and the rest for the second. And then add around half a cup of this bruschetta mixture to the cottage cheese on top. There you have it. We're done. Literally one of the easiest recipes maybe ever. Cottage cheese makes this bruschetta alternative feel more substantial than standard bruschetta. I eat it like a dip, using lettuce cups or cucumber slices to scoop it up, but I've also just gone in with just a spoon. Our last recipe is a pumpkin spice latte packed with protein and flavor. It helps keep you feeling satisfied and curbs that sweet craving. Grab your blender and 1 bottle of a protein shake. I'm using Ensure Max Protein French Vanilla to level up that PSL vibe. Add 1 teaspoon of espresso powder, a 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin spice. We're not adding sweetener because the protein shake tastes sweet as is. If you want a stronger coffee taste, double the espresso powder, and if you want a frappe style drink, add in ice cubes before blending. Now let's blend it up. Pour into your favorite glass and savor that sip. Perfect. And there you have it, 3 super simple recipes to help curb your hunger before your next big meal. Let us know what you're most excited to try, and if you have a favorite go-to snack to curb your appetite, we're all ears.